Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is wireless microphone. Comes from Rode brand. I'm purchasing this product here in the Power Electronics store. Price product is 1,349 Danish krona. We will see unboxing of this product. I'm purchasing this one especially on C-type. Two types of product available for Rode wireless micro. One is a lightning cable or lightning port, and second one is a C port. So I have in 16 Pro Max, so that point of view I'm purchasing C types of port, and we will see inside the box which types of product we are receiving and what is the new. Currently I am using Rode wireless me product, and this one is a Rode wireless micro. Now we will see unboxing of this product. Now let's start unboxing of this product. We are receiving this type of product here inside the box. Which types of product we are receiving, we will see. Look at this here, for USB device only, so be carefully after purchasing this product. Now you should remove like this, as well as you should remove back side as well. We can remove this one. So this is a brand, it's very quality. Look at this, the product image and rest of things. This is just our product. Apart from the product, we are seeing what we receive here, the magic booklet. Two types of magic booklet. So I just remove first everything, and that's it. Now box is empty. So here the C to C type of port we are receiving. I think this one is a charging cable, and look at this, it's very compact. This is a plastic, high quality plastic, and this one is for rear ear point of view. And let's see, open this product here. I purchased this one from black color. This is just only iPhone AirPod, and this one you consider like a Rode AirPod, little bigger. For this here, the charging port is available for the C type charging port, and boom, it's very compact. You can very easily compact everywhere. If you use this product, you just charge once and use continuously 7 hours this product. That one is beauty. And this one you can fix very easily, like a clouds here, and then fix like this. So really nice. You can charge, you remove this one, and now charging going on. You should remove this one, and charging is going on. So look at this here, the light is showing here, green light is showing here, blinking. It means the charging is not 100% completed. And this one, you should attach this one in your Mac or iPhone, and you can very easily record. Suppose for example, even I have this one in Motorola. Here the C port, you just simply connect here like this, and look at this here, the two port is connected. So you should continuously record directly on this using this Rode mic. It's very tiny compared, this one is bigger and this one is really tiny. Look at this, just only one AirPod. You consider like a three of them. And here we are receiving two types of receiver. You can use the two types of microphone of two person or two user at a times, because of this one is a receiver, and those two ones are transmit your voice to here. You should directly connect here, and you should charge once and use continuously 7 hours. And if this adapter is charging 100% completed, so you should use as a 3 times of single charging. It means 7 into 3, 27 hour you should continuously record if you charge once in this adapter, as well as because of this one including the charging case and charging power is available. So similar kind of same in like a AirPod, this is options is the same. You should charge once and record continuously. If you are YouTuber, so definitely you should use this AirPod one charge in continuously 1 week. That is the beauty of Rode wireless microphone. So this is a simple unboxing. Next video I will show you how to use this one and which types of voice we are receiving. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.